bitty bitty bitty. You go, bitty bitty bitty. Where you going? Where you going, Teddy? Yeah? What's Teddy doing? Teddy, Teddy. Teddy, Teddy. So Teddy's doing really good on the leash. This week we're going to work on his bite. He tends to be a bit of a biter. We're going to work on some of that stuff with him. Sit. Teaching him how to take things nicely. Very bright boy. Down. Very eager. Okay. They're all actually very bright. I haven't found one yet that's not all that bright. They're all a little different, but okay. Teddy. Let's go around. Come on, all the way. Come on, all the way. Right here. Let's go. All the way around. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Try that again. Oh, let's go. Around. Let's go. All the way. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What a good boy. Sit. Good boy. What a good boy. Down. Teddy, down. Wait. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Around. What a good boy. Wait, all the way. Come on, all the way over here. To the front. Sit. Good boy, honey. Good boy. Go down. Boy. Boy. What a good boy. Wait. Huh? Puppy. Good puppy. Okay, let's go. What a good boy. Okay, hey, sit. Okay, let's go. Put the leash on you. I want the leash on you. Now, let's pick the leash up. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try something different. Sit. Wait. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Now. Leave it. Okay, take it. Good boy. Good boy. And he doesn't have the patience to wait as long, so leave it. Leave it. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Okay, take it. Good boy, buddy. What a good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's go. This way. Come on, what a good boy. Let's go all the way, right to the front. Sit. Good boy. To the side. Let's go. To the side. All the way. Go over here. Come on, turn around. That's good boy. Down. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Boy, honey, what a good boy. Okay. Now, wait. Yeah. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Sit. Okay, take it. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Oh, the good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a really good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Right to the front. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go all the way around. What a good boy. Right to the front. What a good boy. Sit. Down. What a good boy. Down. Okay. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey, where did we go? Hey. Let's go this way. Over here. Come on. This way. Let's go. This way. This way. This way. Come on. Let's go. No, don't start. Come on. Let's go. Come on, this way. Come on. You're not getting food until you turn. No, you don't get it when you jump either. Forget it, buddy. Forget it, Mr. Boy. Okay. Let's go around. Come on. All the way. Let's go around. What a good boy. In the front. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Let's go. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Come. Good boy. Sit. Okay, take it. Good boy, take it. Good boy, honey. What a good boy. Good boy. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. This way. Ready? Let's go. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Round. Let's go. All the way. Come on. Come on here. This is what we have to do. Here. Here, right here. Look, pay attention. Oh, all the way around. That's a good boy. Right there. Sit. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. What a good boy. What a good boy. Sit. Good puppy. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Okay. Come on. Come on. Hey, pay attention here. We got kibble all over. We got. Come here. What have we got? This is better, isn't it? This is better. Sit. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. No. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, take it. Okay, take it. Take it. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. What a good boy. Sit. Down. Oh, come on. You got to do 2 tricks for free now. Down. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Come. Okay. Let's go. So what do we got here? What have we got here? We got a duck to play with. You want to play buck? What's this? Okay. What is that? Hey, oh, take it. Oh, take it, take it. Oh, take that toy. Take it. Oh, take that toy. Take that toy. Oh, take it, take it, take it. Bite it. Just give it a little bite. We're not into the chicken right now, are we? Come on over here. Come on. Come on. What you got? Hey, what you got, eh? Come here. Want some food? Would you rather have food? You stop biting me. No bites. We don't bite here. No bites. Good boy. We're not biting. We're not doing no bites. We're not biting. No, we're not. We're going to be a really good little puppy. No, that's a good girl. What? What's got an itches? It's got a little itches, hey? Has it got a bit of an itches, hey? What do you say? So we give that puppy a little scrub, huh? So we give him a little rub. Hey, should he have a bit of a rub? Oh, he's going to have a rub. Let's go. Let's roll you over on your back now. Give you a little bit of this stuff. Always is no bites. You just don't bite. No. Hey. Couple things for biting that do seem to work. Ow! Ow! Really loud pitch noises. Nah. Oh, it's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, we're going to pull that ear a little bit. Yes, we're going to pull it. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. No bite. No, you're not biting me. You don't bite. We don't bite. We don't bite. No, we don't. We're going to be a good boy. We're not going to use that mouth. We're not supposed to. Yeah, it's a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Let me see that tail. You give that tail a little pull too? Huh? How about pulling that tail of it, eh? Don't you bite. No biting. No. No bites. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Steady. Down. Hey. That's a good boy. Such a good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Try it again. Down. Oh, I know. It pisses you off when you don't get a treat the first time. Good boy. What a good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What a good boy. Sit. Good boy. Boy. Good boy. Good boy. What a good puppy. Okay. So let's try doing the food again. Let's see if we can get some food here. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Come. Good boy. Okay. Come and take it. Come on. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's it. Go. See, that wasn't so hard. Let's try that one more time. Okay? I promise I won't step on your nose that time. Okay, and then we'll go have some lunch, eh? It's lunchtime, isn't it? Come on. Sit. Leave it. Come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, take it. Take it. Good boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Okay. One more time. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Come. Good boy. That's it. Okay, come take your treat. There you go. Good boy. Take it. Good boy, Teddy. Sit. Teddy, sit. Teddy. Good boy. Wait. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. You got that stay down pretty good, don't you? Hey, you want to try to do a little bit more leash training? Let's do a little bit more leash stuff. Do a little bit more leash stuff, okay? Come on. Let's go. Around. Let's go. All the way. No, you're not jumping on my hand. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. There it is. Let's go. This way. Want to go the other way there? Let's go this way. Come on. All the way. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. I said I'm not used to going the other way. Okay. Around. Let's go. Come on. All the way. All the way. Let's go. What a good boy. Sit. Come on. Come on. Sit. Good boy. Okay. This way. Over here. Sit. Okay. This way. Front. Let's go. Sit. One more time around. Let's go. Teddy, let's go. All the way. Right here. Let's go. All the way. Let's go. Over here. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. You got that down now too, don't you? Good boy. What a good boy. So we're just working on leash training. We're working on the bite thing because he needs to work on a bit of that. Otherwise, he's this bright little guy. Pretty much gets it down pretty well.